Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a text mask effect in Canva. This is a great way to fill your text with images or textures for a bold and creative look. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, to create a text mask, we need to click on Elements. Then we type text mask into the search bar. Once we have typed in text mask, we click on Frames to see all the available text mask options. As we can see, all the text mask choices will appear here. We can select a text mask and place it on the canvas. Next, we are going to choose the image we want to use inside our text mask. We pick one and then drag it into the letter. As we can see, the text mask is now created. We can add more letters and repeat the same process by clicking to select the image, then dragging it onto the next letter. We keep going until all the letters are filled in. And there we have it, our completed text mask. This technique lets us place images inside text shapes, creating eye-catching visuals that stand out. It works great for posters, social media graphics, and branding designs. That's how we create a text mask effect in Canva. With this simple method, we can turn plain text into something visually striking.